children, let's draw one together today. Golden sun. First, draw the round body of the sun. Draw the waving hands. And then we draw lights around it.
And pencils, words to find. In every lesson, I open my mind.
Finally,
Teachers
draw a happy
show a
expression.
world so wide. In their guidance, I
Now,
confide.
let's start coloring. Let's color the sun with nice yellows
Start
and
to
oranges.
see all the wonders I can be. Learning is my right to grow. In every page and thought, I know knowledge helps my dreams to show. With math and art, I find my way. New things to learn every day. With each word and every rhyme, I'll cherish learning all the time. The future shines with what I gain. In school's embrace I'll remain. Learning is my right to grow. In every page and thought, I know
We're going to color them in red and orange.
knowledge helps my dreams to